So I'm using this device in the US. So I have put the input voltage as 110, and we're gonna attempt to use this drill charger to charge 18-volt drill. This is from UK. It's rated at 250 volts, and it has UK plug. So in the front we're gonna put it in 220 and see if it works and charges the drill. Right now battery is at 2, and we're gonna attempt to charge this. Hopefully there'll be no fire. Okay. Okay, so far there's no blast. I just inserted the plug into I just inserted I heard a noise. I don't know what was that, but yeah, I inserted into 110 socket in the United States, and I've set it input voltage to 110, and now we're gonna start this thing and see what happens. It powers on. The battery lights are turned on. USB light is turned on, and main LED light is turned on. These two lights, this light and that light, is turned on. And now you're gonna try to plug it in to 220. Because there's no light in this device until the battery is inserted. So let's insert the battery. Wow, boom! It is working perfectly fine. It's charging my D-volt drill battery with the battery charger rated at 250 volts in the United States with this beautiful transformer. So it all works. There you go. I hope this helps to some people who want to know how it looks like, how big it is, how it works out, and give you guys some idea. So this is a step up, step down transformer rated at 5000 watts. I won't be using more than 2000 or 3000 watts through this. Never gonna use it at peak. And hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.